Here in problem 5, we have the volume of a box is 800 meters cubed. The length is 4 times the width and the height is 2 meters. What are the dimensions of the box? So the first thing I'm going to do is let's write the equation for the volume of a cube or of a box. And of course, I've always got to forget about that. Okay. Never fails. Volume is equal to length times width times height. Okay, length times width times height. Now, what do they give us? Let's write down everything they give us. They give us the volume is 800. Okay, and don't forget it's in meters. The length is 4 times the width. So length is equals 4W, and the height is equal to 2 meters. Okay, we're just going to leave off the units right now. So let's go and plug this stuff in. So we have 800 is equal to the length. Now this is L here is 4W, so let's go ahead and put that in, and then we have W times, and H is 2. H is 2. So simplifying this thing down here, we have 800 is equal to, now this is W times W. I don't think we've talked about this. In fact, I know we haven't, but you'll learn something new. So 4 times 2 is 8. Let's just go ahead and bring that out over here. W times W is W squared. So there's going to be some things here that we haven't talked about up to this point. And when it comes to solving for equations, we have been solving for only linear equations. Let's take that 8 directly down. But that's okay, you can handle the truth. Alright, so 800 divided by 8, right, is 100. Now what does this mean, W squared? Well, remember, it was W times W. In other words, two numbers that are the same, when you multiply them together, you get 100. How about 10 times, how about if this were 10? 10 times 10 is 100. So as you can see, W is equal to 100. Okay? 100. Now let's go back up here. If W is 100, then L is equal to 4 times 10. I didn't say W. Yeah. Wait a minute. W is 10. What the heck? Got crazy there. Okay. Getting crazy. So L is equal to 40. Right? So we know now what L is, what W, and of course we were given H. Right. So I'll crudely draw something here. I don't know, let's draw it in this color here. And of course this is probably not going to be to scale, but at least you'll get an idea. We'll have a picture here to go by. Okay. Not to scale. Alright. So the height is definitely not to scale. Okay, so this picture, we have, I don't know. We're going to say the height is, this is supposed to be 2 here. Okay, so we know for sure this is not to scale. 10 and L is 40. Alright, so it's definitely not to scale, but you get the idea. Okay, and the volume, right, volume of the cube, rectangular solid. Alright, that concludes this problem. See you in the next.